In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backtest a strategy in MetaTrader 5. We'll go through the full setup process so you can test an expert advisor or EA using historical market data before using it in live conditions. Backtesting is useful because it helps you evaluate how a strategy might have performed in the past and gives you a clearer picture of its behavior. To begin, open the MetaTrader 5 platform. Once the platform is loaded, open the Navigator window. This is where MetaTrader organizes key items like accounts, indicators, and expert advisors, so it's the main place you'll use to find your strategy. Inside the Navigator, go to the Expert Advisors folder and locate the strategy you want to test. Make sure you choose the correct EA, especially if you have multiple versions saved in your platform. Next, go to the top menu, click View, and then select Strategy Tester. You can also use the shortcut Control and R to open it more quickly. When you do that, the Strategy Tester panel will appear at the bottom of the screen. This is where all of your backtesting settings and results will be managed. In the Settings tab of the Strategy Tester, you'll now fill in the main test parameters. First, in the Expert field, select the strategy or EA you want to backtest. Then choose the symbol, which is the asset you want to trade, such as a currency pair, index, or another instrument available in your platform. After that, set the period or time frame. This should match the time frame your strategy is designed to work on, since results can vary significantly depending on whether you test on a 1-minute chart, an hourly chart, or a daily chart. Now choose the date range for the test. This defines the historical period you want to evaluate. It's usually a good idea to select a meaningful range so the strategy is tested across enough market conditions. For execution mode or modeling, set how precisely the candles or ticks are simulated. If you want the most accurate results, choose every tick based on real ticks. This option generally gives a more realistic test, although it may take longer to run. If you want to watch the strategy place trades on a simulated chart, enable visual mode. This can be very helpful when you want to better understand the timing of entries and exits. Then click the Inputs tab. Here you can adjust the variables that control your strategy, such as internal settings built into the EA. This is useful if you want to test different configurations without changing the strategy itself. Once everything is set, run the test and review the results. Pay close attention to how the strategy performed under the exact conditions you selected. That's how you backtest a strategy in MetaTrader 5.